I remember when I was young that I used to play one of my friend called Ahmed, and I had a bicycle. So in the evenings, we used to go outside, play, ride my bicycle, go outside to the field. And that time I used to come very happy because I like riding bicycle so much. Also, we used to play together football. We used to meet other young children who are our age mates. And my friend Ahmed playing football together with other guys from our nearest blocks. I always liked my friend to be with me, but whenever he leaves me, I used to become alone because he was a good person. Up this time, we are together. He's my friend to this point. We live together, and we always play as if we do when we were young.